so stretchy. It's so cool. Look, guys, the dinosaur lights up. It looks so cool. Hi, guys. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to open this mini Lightup Dino egg from Zuru Smashers. First, we have to smash the egg. Then we have to find the dinosaur body parts in the slime. And then we build the dinosaur. Let's smash it, guys. Okay. Let's smash it more. Whoa! Look. Let's open it. Whoa, slide. Oh, there's one more thing. 2 slimes and a Lightup Dino. First, I'm gonna open the slime. Let's squeeze it out. Let's take it out. I took out the head. I took out the tail. Cool. So cool. 2 pieces, guys. Let's take out the other ones. So stretchy. Got the leg. Orange slime. Yeah. I got his hand. I got another foot out. Oh, it's so cool. Let's look in the other bag in there. Got the body. We have to put it together like this. Guys, look, here's our dinosaur. Look, it lights up. It's so cool. Look, guys, the dinosaur lights up. It looks so cool. It also changes colors. That's cool. Clicked all of these. We got this one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Bye. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.